Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be okay in your respective homes. It might be well in your knowledge that government is devising a policy to conduct your examinations in the month of October or November online. So it is moral obligation and compulsion on us to remain inside our homes, stick to the books, concentrate on self-studies so that we can crack the coming examinations with a good percentage of marks. And secondly, COVID-19 infection is moving around. So by remaining inside our home, stick to the books, you can benefit yourself in dual ways. One, you will prepare yourself for the coming examinations, and also you can defeat the COVID-19 infection by sitting inside the homes. As students, without use of whiteboard today, we are dealing with class 10th subject history, and topic under discussion is Quit India Movement. Dear students, this movement was launched in the Bombay session of the Congress Committee on 8th of August 1942 by Mahatma Gandhi, demanding complete end of the British rule in India. Dear students, in this moment, Gandhi first time saw he was violent in his approach. He raised a slogan, do or die. When this movement was initiated, all the British reacted very fast. All the Congress members were put behind the bars, and many leaders spent the war years. That was Second World War was going on because it started in 1939 and ended in 1945. So moment was launched on 8th of August 1942. It means that during the Second World War, this movement was launched. All the Congress members were put behind the bars and they spent the rest of the war years in the jail. Dear students, this movement did not had a very good support from the Indians. British had support of Viceroy's Council where majority of Indians were there, and British Indian Army did not support it, and also some princely status and Muslim League too did not support the movement. So British was in a position to crush this movement within very short time. Some big businessmen that had business ties, some Indian businessmen that had business ties with the British also kept themselves aloof from this movement. This movement had on a single support, we may say, this was the support of the American President Roosevelt, who pressurized the British Prime Minister Churchill to go for the Indian demand. What the Indians are demand, you must give them that very demand. Dear students, all the moments are always on the shoulders of youth. Youth and students did also not join, not support the movement in the accurate form. And finally, the British sent after the end of Second World War that ended in 1945, but the movement was crushed by the British because British reacted very fast. In 1945, 1946, British sent members of his cabinet, and this is called the cabinet mission plan to Indians, and they asked Indians to frame their constitution, and powers will be surrendered back to the Indians after 46 or by the middle of June 1947. Dear students, in 1942, the Cripps mission had also come visited India, but the Cripps mission failed, and in the react of the Cripps, in this failure of the Cripps mission, that movement was launched. During the Second World War, the British lost that war, and its tightness or its strength as the colonial power weakened. In 1946, when British cabinet mission plan came here, some members of the British cabinet came here, and they asked Indians to frame their constituency, to frame their constitution by were surrendering power back to the Indians by middle of June 1947. So the cabinet mission plan, there was something very good in the cabinet mission plan. They asked Indians to frame their constitution and go for the elections as the constituent for the constituent assembly or the members who will frame the Indian constitution. Dear students, I am repeating the things for you. On 8th of August 1942, on 8th of August 1942, India, this Quiet India movement was launched. It's called Leave India. Leave India. In the same moment, Gandhi turned violent a little bit. He raised a slogan, "Do or die." This movement did not got support from the various Indians, from majority of Indians, but when British lost the war in 1945, it is tightness or its colonial strength or its imperialistic strengths weakened in the end. They sent here cabinet plan in 1946, and Indians were asked to frame their constitution and were surrendering power back to the Indians by middle of June 1947. This did not happen when British lost the Second World War. Their colonial strength, their colonial mightiness finally came to an end, and Indians got freedom on 15th of August 1947. Dear students, this was the last moment launched by the Gandhi Quit India movement on 8th of August 1942, and after a culmination of that very moment, the moment was crushed by the Britishers, no doubt. But after this moment, it was the last moment launched by Gandhi, and after this moment, the India became free because British lost the war, and British lost the war. Its colonial strength or its colonial power weakened in the end, and we became free on August 15, 1947. This movement is also called the August movement because it was launched on 8th of August 1942. Remember, this movement was launched by Gandhi on 8th of August 1942. This movement did not get the support from the majority of Indians, but after the culmination of the Second World War 1945, British cabinet mission plan came here. They asked Indians to frame their constitution, and in the end, on 15th of August 1947, India got freedom from the British imperialism. Dear students, it is the glimpses of Quiet India movement in a video of 5 or 6 minutes. We cannot describe it as full details, but if any confusion strikes your mind or any question strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006 671106, or you can WhatsApp me on the same number, and your query shall be answered within short duration of time. Dear students, if you post your query on my email, that's kgm38864@gmail.com, and your query shall be answered within short duration of time. And before leaving the class, because through communication skills of a teacher, you are learning something, you are getting something, I am advising you to concentrate on the self-studies because there is no substitution for the self-studies. Physical classrooms are no more alive. You need to give due time to all subjects, including history, so that you will crack the coming examination with a difference. And secondly, you will defeat the COVID-19 infection by sitting inside the homes. Thanks. Be well.